Hello, welcome to the Biker Baker Show. This is my first video of food, and we're going to make apple bombs. So first we got some crescent rolls. I got the Pillsbury ones. I've already opened them because we tried to do one beforehand. So you're going to take those, open them up. I'll do half of it at a time here. Put some of this cheesecake in there. We'll use my fingers. Right here, one on each. Then we're going to put a little bit of apple pie filling. You can use any kind you want. They have cherry, blackberry. You can make your own. You could have peach, whatever you like. I'll put that in there. I like a little bit of cinnamon extra. It doesn't look like it has much. So I'll put a little bit of cinnamon on each of them. Let me wipe my hand off here. And then we're going to roll them up into a little ball. It's messy, trying to get them all together. And it's my first time making them, so we'll see. Everybody's making them on these videos, and they make it look easy. We'll see how easy this is. So there's one. I probably put too much stuff in it. That's all right. If it oozes out, it's better that way. Pinch them together a little bit. Try to make a little ball out of it. I used the cheesecake Philadelphia filling right there. Forgot to tell you what I was using. It's already made up. All you have to do is just put it in. You can make cheesecakes like that. Wow, these are messy. But I bet they're going to be delicious. After we're done with them, after they come out of the oven, you bake them for about 12 minutes. When they come out, we're going to put powdered icing on them. We're going to spray the pan. You're going to put them in a muffin tin. Just plop them in there. They ain't going nowhere. All right, now we got to do the next ones. I think it makes 8 all together. Today's Flag Day. I hope everybody has their flag out. Maybe I shouldn't put so much stuff in it this time. Take it a little easier. Mr. Smith's got his mouth watering. He can't wait till they're done.
Yeah, boy, they're looking good. And you set your oven on 350 for 12 minutes?
350 for 12 minutes. Some ovens you may need a little bit more time. Cinnamon on them again. You can put some nutmeg too if you want, or a little bit of extra sugar. I'm just trying them with some extra cinnamon. I still got a lot in this one. It looks like a smaller one. We'll try to stretch it a little bit. Yeah, I'd say it's got a lot easier to do it this way than to try to do it in those pans like everybody does on the videos. I'm thinking they don't do them all like that. Since I'm doing it like this, showing you every step, they cut video. I'm not cutting it. One more to go. Well, I don't think my first baking video is going too bad yet. We'll see. Alright, there we go. Remember, it's the croissants, the Philadelphia cream cheese, and I got apple pie filling. Then we're going to slip those into the oven. 350 oven for about 12 minutes. Okay, we're back, and I got some out of the oven. I'm getting ready to show you to do the icing, and we're going to taste it, see what it tastes like. So I got some powdered sugar here, just regular old powdered sugar. I don't have a whole lot because it's not going to take very much for these, okay? I'm going to put a little bit of water. I got a little bit here. It doesn't take much water at all. And I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla extract in it. Just a little. You stir that up. I'll need more water probably, but you can always add more water. I don't know if you can see it. We're going to add some more water. You just do it until you get it to where you want it. I've never used these little cups before. I don't know how much I'm pouring in. I can't really see it until I get it in there. Gonna need more. I just like to add a little bit at a time. I don't want to get it too runny. There, it's starting to come together. Just a little bit more. All right, can you see what that looks like? It's a little runny. Pick it up so you can drizzle. Okay, so we're going to drizzle across this one. I'll put something underneath so I don't get it everywhere. Look at that. That looks delicious. I'm going to get a plate here. Take it off of here. Then we're going to cut that and see what that looks like. Look at that inside. You want to taste it? Get me a fork.
You know I do.
Yep, taste it there, Mr. Smith. I'll wait for you to say anything before I taste it.
Wow, that is delicious. Big scoop of ice cream on that, that'd be delicious.
That is really good.
It is good. Wow.
These probably won't even last tonight because we're all going to eat them all. So until next time, these are apple bombs, and watch the Biker Babe Show. Thank you.